Hey, you want to go to bed? Hey, you cheeky boy. Hey, you cheeky boy. Hey, what about the doves? You going to call the doves? Yeah, call the doves. Come on. Come on. Don't mind pecking at my shoes. Hey, come on. Hello, Maury. Hey, call the doves. Call them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, do you want to go to bed? Hey, do you want to go to bed? Do you want to go to bed now? Hey, pretty clever, aren't you? Hey, you're pretty clever. Hello, Maury. Hello, Maury. You cheeky boy. Yes. Hey, call the doves here. Look, there they are. Call them. Come on. Come on. Hey. Hey, Maury. Hello, Maury. Hello, Maury. Come on. Showing off today, aren't you? Hey, you're going to go over and see the camera. Hey, you're going to go over and see the camera. Don't you peck her toes. Neither mine. They're a very common little bird. You see lots of them around New Zealand. Very common.
No, little fella.